ओ नमो नमः. Multiplication in Leelavati, verse number 14. Your co-student S.L. Abhyankar, Mumbai, Thursday, July 9th, 2020. Note, in Leelavati, multiplication is detailed as Gunana Prakara. Atha, now, Gunane, in respect of multiplication, Karana Sutram, Karana doing, Sutram aphorism. Sardhavruttadvayam, Sardha half, with half. Vrutta verses Dvayam, a couple. So, 2.5 verses. Though there are 2.5 verses, we shall study the first one first. Gunaantyamankam gunakena hanyat उत्सारितेन एवमुपान्तिमादीन् गुण्यस्त्वधोधो गुणखण्डतुल्यस् तैः खण्डकैः संगुणितो युतो वा. छंदो विश्लेषण. गुण्यान्तमंकं गुणकेन हन्यात्. एकादश अक्षराणि. द्वे द्वे एका द्वे द्वे एका एका द्वे एका द्वे द्वे इति मात्राः. त त ज ग ग गणाः. उत्सारितेनैव मुपान्तिमादीन्. एकादश अक्षराणि. द्वे द्वे एका द्वे द्वे एका एका द्वे एका द्वे द्वे मात्राः. त त ज ग ग गणाः. गुण्यस्त्वधोधो गुणखण्डतुल्यस्. एकादश अक्षराणि. द्वे द्वे एका द्वे द्वे एका एका द्वे एका द्वे द्वे मात्राः. त त ज ग ग गणाः. तैः खण्डकैः संगुणितो युतो वा. द्वे द्वे एका द्वे द्वे एका एका द्वे एका द्वे द्वे मात्राः. त त ज ग ग गणाः. Sometimes the matras and ganas are different, even though the letters in each pada quarter are 11. So that's why I thought it good to check all the padas and their matra and gana patterns. So this is Indravajra Vrittam. Padacheda. Gunya Antyam. गुण्यान्त्यम अंकम गुणकेन हन्यात्. उत्सारितेन एवं उप अंतिम आदीन् उपान्तिमादीन्. गुण्यः तु अधः अधः गुणखण्डतुल्यः तैः खण्डकैः संगुणितः युतः वा. पदाभ्यासः. गुण्यान्त्यम गुण्यान्त्य इति प्रातिपदिकम्. गुण्यस्य अन्त्यः. षष्ठी तत्पुरुषः. गुण्यस्य गुण्य विशेषणम्. अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं नपुंसकलिङ्गं वा षष्ठी एकवचनं. गुण्य गुण् इति धातुः दशमगणीयः उभयपदी वेष्टने टु क्लैड. तस्य यत् विशेषणं गुण्य. And in Aptay's dictionary, gunya adjective, gun yat, yat visheshan, gun yat. And there are different meanings given. Of that, I have blocked the meanings which are not relevant, and I am just focusing on the fourth meaning, to be multiplied, the multiplicand, gunya. Antya. अन्ते भवति वसति. अंताय हितः. अंत यत. लास्ट, फाइनल, as a letter, word, number, etc. Last in time, order or place. This is as per Panini Sutram 1147. Gunyantyah, the last of the multiplicand. Ankam. अंक नाम पुल्लिंगम द्वितीया एकवचनम न्यूमरल. गुणकेन गुणक विशेषण पुल्लिंगम तृतीया एकवचनम. गुणकेन बाय मल्टीप्लायर, गुणक मल्टीप्लायर. हन्यात्, हन्, हंग हिंसागत्योः द्वितीयगणीयः परस्मैपदी सकर्मकः अनिट् विधिलिंग लकारः प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचनम्. ऑन द होल हन्यात् शुड मल्टीप्लाई. उत्सारितेन, उत्सारित विशेषणं, पुल्लिंगम नपुंसकलिंगम वा तृतीया एकवचनम्. उत् प्लस सृ इति धातुः प्रथमगणीयः परस्मैपदी, तस्य नीचः क्त विशेषणं पुश अप. उपान्तिमादीन्, उपान्तिमादि प्रातिपदिकं, पुल्लिंगम नपुंसकलिंगम वा द्वितीया बहुवचनम्. अन्तिमस्य समीपः समीपं वा इति उपान्तिमः उपान्तिमम्. उपान्तिमतः आदिपर्यन्ताः आदिपर्यन्तानि वा उपान्तिमादयः. उपान्तिमादयः all from penultimate to first. अधः अधः अव्ययम्, below below, that is one below the other. गुणखण्डतुल्यः, गुणखण्डतुल्य विशेषणं, पुल्लिंगं प्रथमा एकवचनं. गुणस्य खण्डः इति गुणखण्डः षष्ठी तत्पुरुषः, पार्ट ऑफ मल्टिप्लिकेशन. गुणखण्डेन तुल्यः इति गुणखण्डतुल्यः तृतीया तत्पुरुषः, इक्वल टू पार्ट ऑफ मल्टिप्लिकेशन. तैः तत्, पुल्लिंगम नपुंसकलिंगम, बाय दोज. खण्डकैः, खण्डक पुल्लिंगम नपुंसकलिंगम तृतीया बहुवचनम, पार्ट्स. संगुणितः, सम प्लस गुण दशमगणीयः उभयपदी क्त विशेषणं, पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम, संगुणितः मल्टीप्लाइड. युतः, युत विशेषणं, पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम. यु इति धातुः द्वितीयगणीयः परस्मैपदी, यौति युतः. कॉजेटिव यावयति, डिसाइडरेटिव येयविष्यति और युयुष्यति. टू जॉइन, यूनाइट, टू मिक्स, कंबाइन. युतः यु द्वितीयगणीयः परस्मैपदी क्त विशेषणं युत. वा अव्ययम् और. अन्वयार्थः स्वाध्यायाश्च. गुण्यन्त्यम् अंकं गुणकेन हन्यात्. Note, in multiplication there are three main entities: multiplicand गुण्यः, multiplier गुणकः, product गुणितं हतं वा. Note, हन्यात् is from han, which means हिंसागत्योः. Actually, himsa meaning, the meaning as himsa seems more appropriate for division. But in Sanskrit mathematics, the other meaning of han, that is gatihi, bruddhihi, is taken to mean to multiply. Hence, product is equal to gunitam or hatam. The phrase gunakena hanyat is easy to understand if gunakaha is a single digit number less than 10. We will see by example. In the word gunyantyam ankam, gunya antyam ankam, the component antyam implies that gunya has more than one digits, because antya has to have adi. By the phrase gunya antyam ankam gunakena hanyat, it seems advocated that multiplication should start from the number anka at the last antya digital place in the gunya, in the multiplicand. Note, the last antya digital place is not the units place, it is the leftmost. उत्सारितेन एवं उप अंतिमादीन गुणकेन हन्यात्. Note, antima is equal to antya. Having done multiplication of the antya and keeping it above, one proceeds with multiplication of others, that is the penultimate, Upantima, etc. right up to Adihi, the one at the units place in the multiplicand Gunyaha. All this if the multiplicand Gunyaha is an integer. Gunyaha tu adhaha adaha gunakhanda tulyaha. Note, as we multiply the antya, upantima and then adhi etc., the gunyaha ankaha has a value is tulyaha multiplied by such power of 10 as is appropriate to its gunakhanda digital position. Taihi khandakaihi sangunitaha. So the product gunitam also has to be valued accordingly. Yutahava. All products gunitas ought to be added yutaha to get the final result. In a simple multiplication of 506 multiplied by 9, Gunyaha is 506, Gunakaha is 9. Starting with the Gunyantya, that is 5, and Gunakaha 9, 5 into 9 is 45. This product has Gunakhanda Tulya value of 4500 because 5 is 500. So it is 500 multiplied by 9, hence Gunakhanda Tulya value is 4500. Next, Upantima Gunyaha is 0. Even the Gunakhanda Tulya value is 0. Adihi of Gunyaha is 6. The product Gunitam is 6 multiplied by 9 is equal to 45 or 54. So final product or by Sankalanam or Yutihi is 4500 plus 0 plus 54. So 4554. Now the above logic can be extended for the instances of Gunakaha also having more than one digits. For example, 537 multiplied by 749. We start with 5 of the Gunyaha and we will start with 7 also of Gunyaha. Gunitam of Gunyantyaha and Gunakantyaha. 5 into 7 is equal to 35 has Gunakhanda Tulyam 350,000. Gunitam of Gunyopantimaha and Gunakantyaha. We are keeping Gunakantyaha common. First we will do all multiplications with Gunakantyaha, that is 7. So first we did Gunyantyaha multiplied by Gunakantyaha, 5 into 7. Now Gunyopantimaha, 3 multiplied by Gunakantyaha, 7. 3 into 7, 21 has Gunakhanda Tulyam 21,000. Next, Gunitam of Gunyadihi. Now we come to Gunyadihi, 7. And multiply by the same Gunakantyaha, 7. So 7 into 7, 49. And it has Gunakhanda Tulyam value as 4900 because 7 is 700. 7 of Gunakantyaha is 700. Gunitam of, now next, Gunitam of Gunyantyaha multiplied by Gunakopantimaha. Now we go to the, we keep the multiplicand the same, 537, and take the digits one by one. But we are now shifting over to the Gunaka and Upantima in that Gunaka, that is 4. So Gunitam of Gunyantyaha multiplied by Gunakopantimaha has Gunakhanda Tulyam, 5 is 500, 4 is 40, so 500 multiplied by 40 is 20,000. Gunitam of now Gunyopantimaha multiplied by Gunakopantimaha has Gunakhanda Tulyam 30 multiplied by 40 is equal to 1200. And then Gunitam of Gunyadhi multiplied by Gunakopantimaha has Gunakhanda Tulyam of 7 multiplied by 40. That is equal to 280. Now the final set. Gunitam of Gunyantyaha multiplied by Gunakadhi has Gunakhanda Tulyam 500 multiplied by 9 is equal to 4500. Gunatam of Gunyopantimaha multiplied by Gunakadihi has Gunakhanda Tulyam 30 multiplied by 9 equal to 270. Gunitam of Gunyadhi multiplied by Gunakadhi has Gunakhanda Tulyam 7 multiplied by 9 equal to 63. Now Sankalitam Gunitam, what becomes the total addition of all these Gunitas? 350,000 plus 21,000 plus 4,900 plus 20,000 plus 1,200 plus 280 plus 4,500 plus 270 plus 63. That is 402,213. Algebraically, this is actually 100A plus 10B plus C multiplied by 100D plus 10E plus F. Interesting it is that all this has been set in a shloka. By that, it has become more a study of Sanskrit than of mathematics. That's okay. As such, multiplication does not have to be studied from Sanskrit. But because we are wanting to study Sanskrute Ganitam, what all mathematics has been explained in Sanskrit, whatever Sanskrit has to be studied, we will study that. And to understand Ganitam or the Gunanam, multiplication, as has been explained in Leelavati, we shall study verse number 15 and the half verse number 16 also. We will proceed to that next. Shubhamastu.